guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host here, Gigi Face, and guys, and I welcome you all into my home. Today's video, I am going to share with you how I am going to put together my tablescape for Easter. I'm not sure if this will be the one that I will leave up for Easter, or if this is the one I'll just be playing around with and maybe come back with something later. But with that being said, guys, go ahead, grab whatever it is that you want to drink. My drink of choice is coffee. It is morning, so I want you to get yourself a snack, whatever time of day it is. I hope it is a time that you can just take a moment for yourself, sit back and relax. I do understand how precious your time is, so I am so grateful that you decided to stop by to see what I am going to put together. Putting together tablescapes is one of my most relaxing things that I like to do. I enjoy just sitting and watching it, or actually working and watching it all come together. So I hope you guys will enjoy it too. So go ahead, I'm gonna go ahead and get my sip because I have to really get to work. I need to get this done. And guys, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It lets YouTube know how much you appreciate the work that we put in for you guys when we bring content. And I'm not just speaking of myself, I am speaking of any creator. If you go to visit their channels, make sure you give that thumbs up, and then if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button, and that way if you hit that bell, you'll always get notified of each and every time that creator creates something. So whether it's me or any other creator, this is just what we enjoy doing, and it's what we love to would love for you to have you guys do. It's just be our fan base, love up on us. You know, this can sometimes be a lot of work. Even though it's fun, it can be a lot of work. So when we bring stuff to you guys, we want you to be able to, one, find something that we have done that maybe it piques your interest, or give you an idea or inspiration as to what you would like to do. So first, I like to start with my center. So I always work on my center first. It's most important to me, because if I can't get my centerpiece right, then I can't do anything else with my place settings. So I'm going in with this very soft, velvety, pale pink runner, and this is one that I picked up from Amazon a while back. This garland is, I think it's called Ficus garland, and I purchased this from Michael's. It's part of the Ashland collection, and it sold for $12, and I looked to see before I started. Right now it's out of stock, but it is perfect spring garland. Although you can use it any time of year that you choose to. One thing about your home, guys, it's your home, so you do what you like to do in your space. Everybody might not like what you do, but there will be someone that will enjoy. There's always something for everyone. And it may not be the same, may not even be the people that you want, but somebody will enjoy what you do. And for that, I am always grateful for everyone. So here I've got my garland placed on top of my runner, and this is how I am going to build my center. I want to go in with these candle holders. I've already placed the candles inside of them just for the sake of time. And these are some that I purchased from the Z Gallery a while ago. So these little candelabras, I like to have them almost conjoining together, but not necessarily, because I want to put a little something in between there as I build here. So these little decorative eggs that I picked up from Michael's at 60% off, I'm going to go ahead and just kind of just place them inside here. I'm going in with my little acrylic gemmed bunnies. I placed one in the center. This is more of a resting bunny here. And then I wanted the two that looks as if they are waiting to take off on the ends. And oh, that gem look is just amazing on this table. I have these little cups. I'm just going to candle holders. I'm going to place them there. And in the center here. And I just love the way that sunlight is shining in here. I think I want to add this garland in between because I want that garden look for here. So here I'm just going to take my time and intertwine the floral garland in with the green garland as I am looking for that wild garden effect. I want it to look as though my bunnies are peeping underneath the flowers in the wild garden. So that's what I'm working on, guys. So stick around as I continue to work. Worked on my center. I want to go in with these charger plates, and these are some that I picked up from Hobby Lobby maybe year before last. And then at the time these were regular $4.99, but I think I got them at the end of the season or either at half off. So I'm going to go ahead and place these, and I want to turn my burrs the appropriate way. Next, I'm going in with these beautiful textured plates here, and I purchased these from TJ Maxx. So I'm going in with this very beautiful, once again, a bird plate, almost like they are in a field with the wildflowers and the butterflies just blowing about. So I'm going to place those nicely here. And I think this definitely sings spring. And next we're going to go in with our flatware. are some little goblets that I purchased from, I want to say Pure One when they were in stock. It has a little bunny on it. I either got these from Pure One or purchased these from Kirkland's, but they are so pretty with the little bunny. And then I'm going to pair it with these wine glasses here. So guys, this is my reveal of my first Easter tablescape of 2024, and I wanted to give the illusion of a wild garden, which is why I went in with the garland that I chose. I kind of draped it across my candelabras here in the center. But first on the bottom we have the table runner, and as you can see, it's that velvety soft. Added in a few eggs throughout. My little gemmed bunnies. And this is an egg that I picked up from Michael's. They were having their 60% off. So I just placed them on top of the little votive candle holders there. I have another little gemmed bunny just hiding out in the garden. Now these candelabras are some that I purchased from Z Gallery a few years ago. On the end here is the same with the bunny and the little votive candle holder, just placing an egg on top of it. So guys, this make up my centerpiece, and yes, I do love the way that it looks. That wild garden feel is what I was going for. So you guys let me know if this is the look that you see. Now if my table was an seated 8, this would be perfect because it would stretch out long enough. But hey, I like this and I'm going with it. Now my place settings are exactly the same. We have our stemware, our flatware, and then over, these are the salad plates that I purchased from, I think, Market Square. Maybe that's Hobby Lobby. This dinner plate I purchased from TJ Maxx. My charger plate here is some that I picked up from Hobby Lobby a few years ago. And then I just went in with this placemat on the bottom. And these are some that I picked up from Belk a few seasons ago that they were having some type of a 60, 70, or maybe even a 90% off sale. So I thought I would add these as part of my stash. So this makes up all my table settings at the end. So make sure my little birdie is turned the right way. Go back in with my dinner plate, add back my salad plate, and this is how I have layered it. Took my little napkin and made it give me the appearance of maybe a little bunny with the bunny ears. And then the little nose or mouth or whatever, and then just fluffed it on the bottom. But guys, these napkins are some that I also purchased from Belk one year at the end of their clearance section. All right, this makes up my very first Easter Tablescape, and I'm not sure if this is what I'll keep for Easter or if I will bring back something a little bit more glamorous and a little bit more elegant. And I do have an idea, but it just depends on my time. Guys, be blessed, take care, and until the next video, I'm your host here, Gigi Faison. Don't forget to like, comment, share, give me that big old thumbs up. It lets YouTube know how much you appreciate the work that we put into what we deliver to you guys. Thanks a lot.